Take your presentations to the next level with PowerPoint Interactive Selector. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create an interactive slide featuring 5 people, where clicking on each person highlights them using the Merge Shapes function. This technique adds a professional, engaging touch to your presentation, allowing for a more dynamic and interactive experience. Perfect for anyone looking to make their presentations more interactive and visually compelling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's get started. Let's go into the demo section of our PowerPoint, and we're going to find our slides here. What we have is we have a background. This was generated through generative AI. We've applied this picture to the background of each slide. So the next thing we're going to do, now that the background is out of the way, it's not an object you can interact with, let's go ahead and grab a shape, and we're going to go in and put a rectangle over this. We're going to change this to black, and we're going to set the transparency to 50%. Excellent, but there's a line around it, so we need to get rid of the line and click no line. Excellent, we like it. Let's copy this to the other slides. Next, let's add our highlighting shape to each one of these slides. Let's go to Insert, and we're going to hit Shapes. We're going to draw a circle shape, ovalish, over each one of these persons. We'll do one, and we're going to test it out on each one of these people. It doesn't matter if it goes off the side or out the bottom. The shape is good. Let's go ahead and remove the line from it. The color doesn't matter, so we can leave it as blue. We like the shape. Let's go ahead and copy this to our other slides. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to merge these shapes. In the shape format, there's this function called Merge Shapes. You have to have 2 items selected for this to work. So we want to click the background first and not the shape. If we click the shape first and then the background, when we click on our Merge Shapes, you're going to see it's not giving us the intended result. Unless this is what you wanted, this isn't going to be what you want. So instead, we're going to come over here. We're going to actually move this one over just a little bit. We're going to click the background, and then we're going to click this one. We're going to go to Shape Effects, and we can go through these and see which ones we like. Union gives us a good response. Intersect, not so much. And Subtract is not doing it either. So we're going to come here, and we're going to hit this Combine. And now we have a shape, but we can actually move this around, and so you're going to see that shape is there. So let's go ahead and do this for the other slides. He's got patience, he's got skills, helping you understand no matter how you feel, whether you struggle or you're flying high. Nice. Next, let's give names to all of these people. So we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to put a text box underneath the first person. We'll bring that over here. We'll type in his name. Let's go ahead and check this box, or select the box, and we're going to change the font to a white. We're going to increase it to 24. And over here we have shape and text options. Well, let's center this first. We're going to come over to the text options, and we're going to change this box. And we're going to click on the text effects. You could also get to the text effects from shape format up here, and you'll see text effects. So well, we can see it over here also, and we're going to look at these presets, and we're going to give it a blue, and maybe we'll make it let's see what the bigger one looks like. It's an 18 font, or an 18 size of the glow, and that looks great. Let's go ahead and copy this for the other people. Mr. Tutor's here, gonna get you by Tech Tutor, Tech Tutor, Tech Tutor, Tech Tutor, in a world turning. Excellent. Now, not everyone could be James Anderson, so let's go ahead and change these names to give them each to their own character. Understanding tech has never been so easy. With his help, we'll all embrace technology. Now that we have our names, let's go ahead and add our clickable box. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to draw a shape over each person that we want to click on. The color isn't important because these will all end up being transparent later, but we're going to leave them blue for now so we can see exactly where we're clicking. So that one's good. Bring this one over to here. See where she's at. Excellent. Now we have our boxes. Let's go ahead and click on them. We're going to remove the lines. We're going to set the transparency to 100%. Excellent. This is great. Next up, let's go ahead and make it so when we click on this box, it goes to slide number 6. But this box, remember, might be on 7, 8, 9, or 10. So let's go ahead and right click here. We're going to go to link. Places in this document. This one's going to go to slide 6. We'll repeat this for the other 4. I really like the part where it shows you a preview of what slide it's going to. Excellent. Now we have all of our interactive shapes. Let's go ahead and copy them holding Shift and then Control C, and we'll copy them to our other slides. Excellent. Let's test it out. Go to Slideshow and we'll say from current slide. On slide number, we're on 10. We can see our mouse is hovering over all of these. We can click here. And there you go. Well, that's all I have for you today. Leave a comment and let me know what you're working on or what you want to see. Let's get smarter together.